A lifestyle of luxury is yours at Avicenna at Hammock Bay Golf and Country Club. Enjoy the spectacular views overlooking the sparkling resort-style pool, tropical park-like landscaping, fountains and golf course. Privacy is inherent as your elevator opens to your private foyer. Your double entry doors welcome access to over 2,600 square feet of casually elegant living area and generous lanai. This expansive open and split floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms with high ceilings throughout lives like a single-family home in the midst of a 5-star resort. The exceptional amenities offered at Avicenna include an Olympic-sized pool, 2 guest suites, fitness center, sauna, social room, billiards table, grand salon, theater, barbecue area with screened pavilion, underbuilding parking and more. Memberships are available to Hammock Bay Golf and Country Club and Marriott Marco Island Resort and Spa. Ideally located just minutes from Marco Island and Naples 5th Avenue.